guess. Wow. Yo. Got this 2019 X5. What's the exact model again?
X-Drive 40i.
X-Drive 40i. We're about to install HPS intake. Cold air intake right here.
Yes, sir.
They just call it HPS?
Yeah.
No like part number or anything? I guess if we could link it in the description box.
Yep.
How much was it?
I think like 400. Yeah.
Alrighty. About to install it right now. First we're going to take this Torx and then this bolt right here just to get this bar out of the way. And take off the stock intake right here. Alright, so this one would be E12 Torx right here. Okay. Wow, that's a long bolt. Put this out. Let's put these aside here. I'm gonna take the sensor out right here. Just remove that. Okay. Alright, we've got these T25 Torx bits. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're about to take them out right now. Alright, once we remove the screws, we're going to remove this clip here to get this housing out of the way. Should be good. Alright, housing is out. Alright, once you take your intake housing, you just need to take the sensor out for later because you will have to install it onto the new pipe. And these are T15 T-Torx. Okay. Oh. Don't want to lose that. And be careful to take the sensor out because it's very, very sensitive. You don't want to break anything inside here. Especially this one. That's what calculates how much air is going into your engine. So you don't want to break that. Alright, and to install it into your new pipe, make sure this side is facing outward, where the air would be coming in from.
Or the HPS
Yeah, I guess you can follow the H letter and make sure that one is first. Okay. And again, these are T15 screws. All right. Okay. And then take the filter out. This is the hardest part of the job.
Filters out.
And then we're going to remove the lower clamp for this elbow boot. Just need to figure out where that clamp is. Oh wow. It's like all the way. I'm gonna get a small little short flathead screwdriver. Alright, so underneath this elbow boot, there's another clamp like this. Can you show it? Clamp like this. It's underneath it, and that's what I'm going to remove, and this whole thing should come out along with, I don't know what this is, but...
Well, I think I could see it. It's like that, right?
Yeah, that's the one.
Yep.
You know, I just got a feel for it because I can't see right now. Alright, so we just loosened this clamp on the bottom, so it should be loose. And then we're just gonna pull it out with this on the other side here. There's one here too. Okay. Alright.
And it's out.
And this has to disconnect from here. Alright.
Nice. And one screw. Wow. It was hard.
We out here installing the intake, cold air intake, and then we see this, I guess, intake manifold portion. We just see some oil in here, and I'm going to wipe it, see how much oil there is. Oh, that's a good amount of oil. So we're wondering if it's leaking, if the turbo is leaking, or we just don't know where the oil is coming from, because only air should go in here, right? So let us know in the comments. See if you have this 2019 X5 40i. See if you have the same exact issue. Alright, we got this heat shield. We're just putting the gasket around to protect the inner layer of the engine, I guess. Let's just do like a slow mo. Now we're going to install this tube guide here onto the heat shield, and the wider side, I guess, comes out on this side where this I guess a section splitter is, and this is for where the air would be coming in, like that. And we've got two screws here with the washers. Make sure the washer goes in, align the holes. Oh wow, that could have been so bad. Yo. Holy, my heart dropped. Wow. The night could have been like ruined if it went into that hole. Yeah. Wow. That was close. Just hand tying here. And I guess this is 10mm. Hand tighten here. Yeah, we'll just do snug. You don't want to over time this. Alright, so next step, to install everything, this one goes in first. It's a little bit smaller on this side, bigger on the other side, and fat clamps. And then the skinny ones, and the ones with the ring, is for the intake filter. So this one goes in first. Okay, so to install everything, I'm just going to summarize real quick. That's where the pipe goes, which we already have installed. So this side, this is the lower side over there. And make sure you have this plastic piece from stock intake manifold, because the heat shield is gonna go like that and then go where that air is drawing in from. And on the bottom portion of the heat shield, you see how there's a hole in there? You need to match that to the bottom side. So there's this metal piece. I just had it in my hand. Oh, here it is. So this piece goes on the bottom side. And then you're gonna screw on the heat shield where the hole is. You match it up. But first I'm gonna put the pipe in first, get it all tightened up. And then where that hole is, I'm going to screw it on right there. matching this. Oh, I put it backwards. Matching this portion to this vent hole. So putting this on all the way, making it sit nice. Okay. And I'm gonna get a socket. I believe that's 10 mil or 8 mil. Oh yeah. It's not going anywhere. Alright. Alright. We put the second clamp on here. Putting the pipe in. I'm just gonna have it like kind of loosely fit.
Because you're gonna match up the heat shield.
And then I'm gonna put the heat shield in there. Okay. Looking good, looking good. Alright. Yep, it's looking good.
Looking snug.
Looking real snug. Can you come here? We'll go inside over there. And then you can see the hole better. Right, right there. That. Just gonna hand tighten it real quick. Wow. Just like that.
Easy?
Easy peasy. I'm gonna pull it forward more. Alright, so I'm gonna tighten the clamp here. Okay.
But I was like, it's probably on tight, doesn't matter. Alright.
Yeah, that's on there. Okay, and then now we're gonna tighten this. Just hand snug. Okay. Alright. And then the filter goes in.
Alright.
So how they put it in here? Wow. Holy moly. Okay, that ain't going nowhere. And then lastly, the sensor, just clip it on. I think we're done for the day.
Let's go.
Oh, we gotta put the bar on, but let's hear this engine first. All right, we got the HPS intake installed. Here for the first cold start.
Ready?
Yep. Wow. It's sucking in air. tight. Okay.
All in a day's work.
Alrighty. That's it. That's a wrap. Go ahead. Look for the gas. Wow. Yo. I was not expecting that.
Me neither.